Sam from Sammy Wong's Kitchen. Today I have a special treat for you. And we are going to learn how to make traditional mooncakes with my very good friend, Julie, who is a fantastic chef. So,
oh my God, I don't know, it's a fantastic chef.
So take it away, Julie. Tell me how to make these.
Okay, this is a Chinese traditional mooncake recipe. And we're gonna need 100-gram cake flour and 60 gram of dark syrup and 30 gram of cooking oil. This is for the skin. We are not going to talk about the fillings today because we're gonna just use ready to cook fillings. The first thing we need to do is mix all the things together and let the dough set for 2 to 4 hours.
Question, Julie.
Okay.
Cake flour versus all-purpose flour. What's the difference?
This is less gluten.
Okay.
So it's not too stretchy. We don't want it too stretchy.
Okay, and then this alkaline water.
Oh yeah, this is the water, alkaline water for just 1 teaspoon. Just really.
And how is that different from tap water?
Oh, because I think it's neutralized some of the syrup.
Okay.
Sweetness. Now we use a bowl. Put these 4 ingredients together.
Okay.
This is the flour, and we put the syrup, cooking oil, and alkaline water. We mix them first.
Okay.
Here. I usually just use a spoon to mix.
Just mix, okay.
Like about 100 grams mooncake for 6. This one.
Okay.
If you make smaller ones, you can make 10, 12.
Okay.
And even bigger ones, 4, 5. Okay. But this is, I think, the size I like.
This is the consistency?
Yes.
All right.
And then we just set the dough aside for at least 2 hours. Ideal time is probably 4 hours. If in the winter, maybe you need longer because you want the dough fully sleep.
Rested.
We just put it in a bag and let it sit. Sleep. We have this pre-sleep dough, pre-rested dough, and then it's ready to make. Feel it.
Oh wow,
Right?
it's really soft.
Yeah. So we probably make 6
Okay.
I don't really weight it anymore
Okay.
because if you were not sure,
Yeah.
if you're not sure how heavy it's about 33, 34 grams for each one.
Okay.
So
Now roll it?
Yeah, we roll it like around.
Okay.
Fillings for this traditional mooncake, each filling is about 65 grams. So it's basically this is 30 something. Mm-hmm. This is a double weight of the dough.
Okay.
And if you are really new, you feel like difficult, maybe you can use more flour, but the skin is just thicker.
Okay.
Yeah, in this way, the skin is thin.
Okay.
Also, maybe some more skilled people, they like even thinner, but I think this is thin enough already. Okay. So this, just use the hand. If you are right-handed, you use right hand to use this part of your hand. Chinese call it 虎口. Okay. I haven't found. I thought I gonna ask you, but no. You can't do it this way. You have to make it really round.
Oh,
here.
So it's not
really round.
Okay.
If it's not round, you're gonna have problems because you have to. This is the hardest part. Okay. You have to put it here and a little bit. Move,
and
move
then
up,
kind
move
of
up, move up. You push a little bit because this is cake flour, right? Not too stretchy, so it's easy to push. But you can just let the fillings out.
Okay.
You have to have the flour cover it.
Okay.
You select this. See, you do a little bit, and then just come out. If here is a little bit, you see the things, and you can move the flour a little bit around, and like this.
Okay. So now that
Maybe-
I've messed this one up.
Yeah, you don't mess up.
Oh, you just
roll it. Yeah, use some
Okay.
dry flowers and easy. This part is I think is the hardest part. It's not too difficult. Just need a little bit, skill when you get familiar with the way, and then put here, right?
And then just
move a little bit, move.
I'm pushing it with my right hand up, right?
Right hand up, and the left
Is squeezing.
little bit squeezy
Okay.
down.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
You're moving up.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the right hand squeezes and the left hand also pushes
Yes.
the whole dough up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. See, you made it.
Okay.
Usually, like if it's like a red bean paste, and then this is a black sesame paste, and then this kind of is easier, but this nuts one is a little bit harder because it's not so
Smooth, right?
smooth.
Okay.
Yeah, the surface.
Okay, and if it's not even, I just kind of push it around because it's not quite.
See, you can little bit just use your finger a little
Okay.
bit, but it's okay actually. When you bake it, after you bake it, you don't really care about some black
Oh, okay.
color.
So you won't see the black when you bake it?
Almost none.
Oh, okay.
Almost none. But the best is even. But if not, if a little bit uneven is fine.
Okay.
I make this one.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow.
The round ball.
Yeah.
We'll put it first here. Now this part, you have to put the dry flowers all over it, because otherwise it could just
Just
doesn't come out from the
Okay.
mold.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to make sure you have enough flowers here. And this mold, you put mold in first try. If your bowl is bigger, so you probably need to do this to have your dough
I
inside.
see.
But ours is okay. So
Okay.
and then you put in and you push a little bit, and then turn over. Make sure you have dry flowers at the
Okay.
bottom,
Okay.
and then you push. I usually push 3 times. Don't move, okay? After you, because if you move, you'll mess up
Okay.
the one. If you have really big power, then maybe twice. But I do 3 times because I'm afraid of. Then it's good, and then you put it. Look at you push.
Wow.
Come out.
Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. I flour it well.
Flour well, not good enough. Maybe if you need more, you put more. Make sure they don't. Yeah, I
Okay.
think that will work.
So it's completely covered.
Yeah,
I put it like that.
yeah,
Push
Nice
it in a
little,
little
yeah.
bit.
yes,
Put it down.
yeah. Don't move. Need to be very stable. Okay.
Okay. And then,
Then you just
oh,
yeah.
okay.
Go there, and yes.
Strap.
Yay! It's your first mooncake.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier than
Yeah.
you look at it and you think it's so difficult
I
to
know.
make, and then it's like, oh, that's not that hard to make.
We set up the oven for 375 bake 10 minutes. The first round. Food degree bottle. Just plain water, and just to avoid cracking. Okay, this is first round. Now it's oven set, so it's spray water and put in oven for 10 minutes. Actually 7 to 10 minutes, depends on your oven to have it the shape fixed, don't move anymore. It's not soft. Okay, while it's baking, we prepare our egg yolk. So brush on with the color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you first bake it partially and then you add the egg yolk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Twice. You have to stop twice and brush and.
Okay.
I add a little bit of water in it to thin it. Okay. Otherwise, it's too thick. So we let it cool a little bit. Then we brush egg yolk.
Okay.
Now it's a little bit cold, not too hot.
Okay.
So we can brush these things on. Just a very light, not press too hard because it's not very hard yet. See, can you tell the egg yolk? This is so bright yellow. Sometimes you put here a little bit more and then just just go down there. Now we have the second time in the oven, bake 320 for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. It's up. So we take it out. This is a second round. We need to brush egg yolk on top.
Oh, two
times. Two times
okay.
Brush. And now we gonna put back to 320 bake. Oven bake again for another 7 to 10 minutes until the color reach what you want. See the color?
More recipes can be found on SammyWong'sKitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!